everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So as you all know, it has been such a long time we did not post any video. That's due to
because it's raining,
so nowadays it's raining every day.
We cannot go anywhere.
So today I decided to take my wife out to show her one beauty of Guinea, which is a waterfall. We are going to visit one waterfall today in Dibreka. Very far from our house, about 1 hour, 2 hours. So my wife is very excited, as you can see, to go see the waterfall. Are you excited, my love?
Yes.
Here with us, Mamu and Seidu.
Seidu, you have many friends from
Seidu has many
Malaysia.
friends from Malaysia. As you know.
Do you want to marry Malaysian girl or Chinese?
Yes.
Don't say that, she's going to get me.
Let me take this one. You see, this is the new mosque of Anta. New mosque of Anta. They just finished building. Very big and nice. Here there is here there is mosques and place for people to go and read Quran. Nice, right? Very nice. Very big also.
Yeah. So nice.
See? See, right?
Yeah.
Very nice. All this place, all this. The new mosque of Anta.
I like the color, the color combination and design. Yeah.
Let's see. So as you can see, it's raining heavily.
Raining.
It's almost 1 day now. It's raining non-stop, right?
Hujan tapi nak pergi waterfall.
Saya nak you tunjuk itu waterfall. Boleh tak?
Boleh.
So jom kan?
Jom.
So this is this saya thesis later. This is called thesis. This one goes to the beach, to the sea area. And this one will take this road to go to Dibreka. That's where the waterfall is. Understand? We've never been here before. This is first time for us to be here. This is raining, right?
Yeah. Let's buy these clothes. Baju hujan. Apa ni?
This is This is the biggest manufacturer of cement. You know cement, right?
Yeah.
The biggest one in G, the whole G. It's big, huge. I love this is the road to Dibreka. This is Dibreka. Biggest construction engineer. Biggest construction company, Chico Press. It's very famous in all over West Africa. We have it in Senegal, Mali, Guinea, even also in France. It's a big company. See? Machines. We are going to that mountain. Dibreka. Do you find it nice?
Yeah, very nice.
Nice and beautiful.
Is it still far?
Yeah, still far.
How
Almost.
far? How far?
You see, there is waterfall also on top there.
Oh, there.
Yeah, right? It's very nice.
Yeah.
The water we drink at home, Koya, it all comes from here. Very nice. This is the biggest, one of the biggest mountain in Guinea.
Inilah apa tu? Bukit yang hari tu.
Look at the top. It's like dark, right?
Yeah.
Like it's about to rain there.
Tengok ni, cantiknya lah. Tu kita lindung dari awan. Baru rumah kat sini ke?
Yeah, inshallah one day. Kita nak buka rumah sana. Sudah confirm inshallah. Cantik tak?
Cantik. Nyaman.
Tada!
Tada!
We are almost reaching now. Look at the houses. Very nice, very beautiful.
Challenging betul jalan nak pergi waterfall.
Dia cakap tak. Dia malukan. ada jalan macam ni di Malaysia? Ada tak?
Ada.
Macam ni?
Ya.
Mana?
Selamat.
Terjun.
Boleh orang selamat.
Dah sampai. Jalan yo, ya Allah.
Dah sampai dah.
Lama sekali.
Wow. Dah sampai dah.
Wah, macam
So we just reached now after about 2 hours driving, right?
2 hours.
My wife seems like she wants to be busy.
Busy.
Then we have to- So we hope you guys will enjoy this place. That's we have to go through there and then do the video. Okay? So stay tuned. Say the photo tak? Oh my gosh.
Scary.
Are you scared?
Yeah.
Don't be scared.
You cannot see me.
Oh my god. Wow. Very nice. Wow. Look at the waterfall. So nice.
Scary.
We have many natural things like this. Many places.
What's the point of this? Can you swim?
Yeah. If it's summer, like this time, you know.
Or during now?
When there is no much rain, you can swim. But now cannot.
Oh, because it's rainy season, so the water is
Nice, right?
it's nice, but scary.
Very scary. Very scary. They said we have to go out up from there because the water is coming very strong. You cannot stand there.
Okay, we have
So
to go
scary.
up.
You have to go more up. Very scary. Even my wife now is so scared. Have you ever seen something like this before? First time, right?
Yeah.
Naturally, something naturally like this. Never.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm scared.
Wallah, it's amazing. Very beautiful to see so naturally water falling like that. Wow. Don't be scared.
Imagine if someone fall in there.
Wallahi, don't be scared. I'm here to protect you, okay?
Okay.
Love you. Mom, ada? Mom, sini tu.
Aduh, penat. Jom. Nak pergi mana ni?
Oh, they say there is another place also we can go and check Merveg. Well, they think.
Tu, homestay. Chalet
Yeah.
ke?
Yeah.
Ni tu, chalet ke?
Homestay. Many people. Before,
Huh?
a lot of people used to come, tourists from
Tourists.
different countries, from US, Europe to come.
Yeah,
and
just
stay.
now there's like foreigner
Oh,
there.
these are Lebanese.
Lebanese. Boleh come here. Buah petai ke?
Huh?
This one.
You see this kind of, you know, this tree.
Petai? Buah apa ni? Bukan lah.
You see this kind of house.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
That's a tourist house.
Tourist house. Chalet. Tu bukit. Tu. Cantik. Tengok.
Look at that mountain. Can you imagine if you have a house there to live?
I don't want it anymore.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
The road is too crazy.
You build house, you make the road also. You make nice road. It'll be nice, right?
It'll be expensive.
Yeah. Well, I think to live there, they said it's very cold. You see, look at the weather.
Yeah.
The sun is out, but it's very cold, right?
Yeah. What's that?
Where? These are all this area, and also you see the cow. Some people also keep their cow here.
I'm scared of this
Farm.
cow.
Why?
Because
Let's go take photo there. Then.
no.
Huh?
Yes.
How?
Because you can see the mountain.
Okay.
Why is it cow? Balik. Ikan berkotor. Kita nak balik.
Yeah, they say there's another place again called, you know what Toddy? Merve.
Where is that?
Merve. That's same, almost like this one.
Yeah, where?
Or very nearby us. It's nearby. See that mountain we are talking about?
Yeah.
Very nice, right? Look at the rice paddy field.
This
Yeah.
paddy field?
Yeah. But there is more forest here than Kedah. Right?
Kedah, yeah. Yeah, everywhere is forest here. Tengok duduk rumah seorang-seorang.
So while going, there is a car broken down here. You need to help to carry out. So the main kana berapa?
Ada mana kau Doni? Na Doni. C'est bon.
Ada ni.
Wow. Abra après. Hey, Giluti.
Kampungan kat sini. Where do you make the water wells here too?
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay.
Because just now I saw the kids.
Yeah.
She drink water from
the river. That's can also. This is because this is a small village.
small village. Because I don't see them. I don't see the water pump here. Here are some houses. Tu ada lagi.
Kampung, small kampung. Give them breakfast.
Là, petit, hein? Parce qu'il faut donner aux enfants, le petit là, le terre noir. Allez. Allez, ça gagne, les manous.
Allez, on va aller. Où est-ce que vous moi? Hein? Et moi? Où est-ce? Voilà, merci.
Tengok cantik. Okay.
You wanna go up there?
Hah? No.
Scary. Takut tak?
Pening kepala.
Kampung.
Mana sungai tadi?
Look.
Mandi.
Enfant, hein, mais vidéo qui va mini, you know.
I always like. The mother, the sister is taking shower and then the kid,
La
young
caméra,
kid.
dis moi,
So funny, right?
Source of water.
No, they don't have.
Yeah.
So they take advantage of this water to clean, to wash their clothes. Okay, so this is the last part now. We are about to go home because it's almost late now. It's the mountain we just saw just now. So that water we took video of. The water come from this mountain to go there and fall from down there.
This is the mountain.
Yeah, same mountain. So as you can see, my wife seems tired and a bit
Headache.
headaches. He's having a headache because of dizzy. So we are trying to go home now. And Mamu here keep on saying she's hungry. Mamu, so we'll make your way now to go home. That will be all for our video today. We hope you like and enjoy. Did you enjoy the today's journey? Did you enjoy?
Enjoy, but
Alhamdulillah.
it gives me headache.
So that will be all. Thank you everyone. Bye. See you again in our next video. Bye bye.